I made this YouTube short easily. The tool that I use is FlexClip. This specializes in video clips. There are many templates for you to choose from. They're quite professional looking. And say I want to promote my product, I select the best template. For example, this one. It comes with the layout, the music, and you can select the various aspect ratios. This one would be more YouTube, Reels and Shorts, Instagram posts. I select the one that I like. I can customize, and I can switch out the product. In this case, I want to promote my facial cleanser. I drag it into here and replace the picture. I can resize it. And what I like about this tool is there are built-in AI features. For example, I want to remove the background. I just click on this and auto image background removal. Take note that this is a paid feature, but as a free user, you get a couple of tries. The app does a very good job removing the background. I click apply, and there it is, an advertisement that's ready to go. Exporting it is easy. I click here. Take note that for the premium subscription, you can go up to a 1080p or 4K. Simply click export and you are good to go. And how did I create this? Here's what I did. I went to templates. I searched YouTube Shorts, 1150 to search from, plenty. And this one caught my eye, kind of striking. I like orange. What I did was I dropped my media all here. I clicked this, ChatGPT for image. Here I put for the images, I just have to drop. And if I double click it, I can adjust the position. And for these panels, I drop it. Again, I just shift it here. And on the other panel, I put it there and I adjust it. Adjusting the size is up there. Voila, I'm already done for my first clip. As simple as that. Now the timing, I want it a little longer. I put 4.5 and it drags out. The music, it's long enough for even a longer clip, no problem. The next clip, I enter text. The first picture here, well, I look for images, just a nice solid color, and I replace this one. For the text, I chose this one, which seems to fit. I drop it in. This was my prompt. I turned the text white. I expanded this to about 60, and that's it. It's easy. I wanted to give a 3.5 seconds. And the first picture, I go back to images. I go back to my media. And the first image is the kick. I simply drop the kick in, and that's it. So if you take a look. Now, you can fine-tune this further by clicking on timeline. You can get really creative. You highlight the text and you click animation. I like the wave. It just brings attention to the text, and I clicked it in. Here you can prolong the text, and I go back, and that's it. Here, I want it a little longer. I put it 3 seconds. My next message is blend. And here I feature this picture. It's a picture of different characters eating ramen. I use ChatGPT to blend all those images into this, and there it is. And when you play it, if I want the picture to swipe from left to right, that can be easily done. I click this inside motion and I can get it to scroll from left to right. Then I double click this, I shift this a little bit here. And if I play it, that's it. And the last one is style, which is right. Here, I loaded ChatGPT, image of this guy, and shirt. And I got ChatGPT to put this shirt onto a guy and to show final result, which is this guy. I put it here. Yep, it is that simple. Somehow the music syncs very nicely with my images, no matter what kind of timing I put there. You click export and it's on its way. You can share directly on your social media with and you're done. It's as simple as that. Definitely check out the app from the link in the description below. And if you sign up with my code Andrew25, you get 25% discount off your subscription rate. I want to thank FlexClip for this benefit and for partnering me in producing this video. And there are many AI tools to complement your video production. There are image generation tools, video, audio, AI tools. And some can be quite fun. And this is quite helpful, the AI video background remover. In this case, I remove the background of me speaking. This way, I can merge it into my video production. And here to create a video production where I merge, I click on video. I download the video of me speaking with the background removed. Here, I can find a suitable background image to complement my talking head. I simply drag it down. And that's one thing nice about this tool is that many of this is just drag and drop. This tool it's easy to use. Drag and drop gives you what you need. Here I drop my talking head and there it is. And I can use this app to create subtitles. I can also add in other clips to make overlays. And this clip supports what I'm saying about prompt engineering. Now there is the AI face swap. You can put in a face, a target, click generate, and it does a pretty good job putting the face on, even onto a cartoon. Very nicely done. There is the AI clothes changer. Here you can simply upload your photo and the clothes. For example, I can upload picture of a lady, upload clothes, I generate, and it does a pretty good job putting the garment on. From this, putting on this, to that. I tried on other garments as well. Even myself, pretty nice job. And you can have some fun with the AI music generator. What's interesting about this is you can upload your reference music or reference voice, put in your lyrics, and generate the song in that style. Here I generated based on a very popular hit song of late, and I gave it a Singapore spin.
I'm walking down Orchard, coffee in my hand, chasing dreams from Googers all the way to scent of sand. Hawker, auntie smiling, multis on time. SD spirit shining like a durian in the sky. SGT Singapore got talent from Hawker Kings to startup queens. We shine and brilliant. SGT, heart so big, spirit vibrant. Singapore, are you and me?
Pretty fun. Now take note that your lyrics can only be 350 characters long, so you can't have too long a song. I guess this is good for you to create short jingles to add to your video production. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please click that like and subscribe button where I'll dish out more tips and tricks for you. Leave a comment. Tell me what do you think about this tool. I'll love to hear from you. Till the next time, AI on, be empowered.